Good day and welcome. How to solve this nice Olympiad exponential and logarithm equations given that 5 to the power of x dot 2 to the power of 1 over x equals 10. To find all the solution to this problem, we are going to start with, so suppose by inspection method, if you plug in at x equals to 1, so we are going to get the solution to this. But that is not only the solution. So we still have another solution that satisfies this problem. So let's get into it. So if this is 5 to the power of x dot 2 to the power of 1 divided by x equals, so if I write this as the product of 5 and 2, which is still 10. So the next thing we are going to do is, when we introduce logarithm to both sides, so we are going to have this as the logarithm of 5 to the power of x dot 2 to the power of 1 over x equals the logarithm of 5 dot 2. By considering these properties of logarithm, which says anytime we have logarithm of a dot b, this is given as the sum of log a and log b. So we try to apply it in this, and we are going to have 5 to the power of x plus log 2 to the power of 1 over x equals log 5 plus log 2. So again, we have this x comes down, and here is log 5 plus, also this 1 over x will come down, which is 1 divided by x log 2 equals, here is log 5 plus log 2. So suppose I introduce the base of 5 to all of this, so which means that this logarithm of the same base is 1. We have x plus, why this is 1 over x log 2 base 5, so equals, this is also logarithm of 2 base 5 plus this is 1. So the next thing we are going to do here is, when we multiply x to both sides, so just to make sure that we don't have this fraction here, so by multiplying x, here becomes x squared plus, so here becomes 1, and we have only log 2 base 5 equals, so when x multiply this, we have x log 2 base 5 plus, so x will multiply 1, which is x. So the next thing is, here we have logarithm of 2 base 5, and here is having both x, so which is by taking the whole of this to this side, so we have x squared. So when all this comes, we have minus, and when we factorize out x, so the inside of this becomes 1 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 2 base 5 equals 0. And looking at this, here is a quadratic equations. So here is x squared, while this is x, and here is the coefficient of it, so while this is the constant term. So by applying the quadratic formula, we are going to get the value of x. So here we have x equals, so the value of b, which is minus, is going to be this, but since this is having negative, So the whole of this becomes positive. And here we have 1 plus log 2 base 5. So all this in bracket plus or minus the square root of, so b is 1 plus log 2 base 5 all square minus 4. So a is 1 and c is this, so which is 4 dot log 2 base 5. So everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2. So when we try to expand this, log 2 base 5 plus log 2 base 5 all square, then minus 4 dot log 2 base 5. So here and this are the same. So by combining it, we have 1 minus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 2 base 5 all to the power of 2. And in this, so the whole of this is just like all to the power of 2. So when we try to substitute it in this, which means that this square root and this square will negate each other. Therefore, we have x equals 1 plus log 2 base 5 plus or minus 1 minus log 2 base 5 all divided by 2. So therefore, when we take the addition and subtraction of this, so for the case of addition, so 1 plus 1 will become 2, and log 2 base 5 minus log 2 base 5, that becomes 0. So therefore, we have x1, which is 2 divided by 2, and everything equals 1. So which is by inspection, x equals 1 is true for this equation. While for the second one, when we consider the negative part of this, so we are going to have x equals 1 plus log 2 base 5. So minus 1 plus log 2 base 5 all divided by 2. So 1 and minus 1 cancel each other. Then log 2 base 5 plus log 2 base 5, we have it as 2 log 2 base 5 divided by 2. So therefore, 2 cancel 2, and we have x equals log 2 base 5. So which gives the two solution to x as x1 equals to 1, and here is x2, which is equals log 2 base 5. So this is how to solve this problem. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting math content like this. I will see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.